Do you have a mountain of long videos just gathering digital dust on your hard drive? If you want to turn those files into a steady stream of viral clips without pulling all-nighters or hiring a pro, you are in the perfect spot. Today I'm showing you how to transform one long recording into a total content machine using Vizard. We are keeping this chill and no nonsense so you can actually start posting and growing without the usual editing headache. Imagine you have a 45-minute podcast or a lecture and you need a full week of shorts and TikToks. Normally, you would slog through hours of footage, trimming and exporting manually, but we are going to let AI do all the heavy lifting instead. You do not need an expensive setup or pro skills. Just grab your laptop and let's dive right into the workflow. Getting started is incredibly easy. Just click the link in my description to create your account. Once you land on the dashboard, you just drag and drop your long video file right into the upload window. This is the magic moment where Vizard's AI scans the entire file to find the best, most high-energy segments. It effectively marks the parts of your video that are most likely to perform, which is a massive time saver for any creator. Once the scan wraps up, you will see a timeline packed with suggested clips ready for you to review. Each clip comes with an attention score, and honestly, the AI nails the best punchy takes about 80% of the time. If you are picky about the flow, you can easily tweak the start and end times to keep exactly what you need. Now let's jump into the editing suite, where every suggested clip essentially acts as its own separate scene. You can rearrange the order, combine different clips into one reel, or just polish the flow of your story. Need subtitles? The tool auto-generates captions with perfect timing, and you can style them to match your brand vibe. I always recommend doing a quick human pass to check fonts, move captions, or adjust your visual layout. The best part is that you can apply your changes globally, so one edit updates your whole video instantly. If you want to spice up your talk-heavy clips, you can easily add a motion background or upload your own B-roll. Vizard shows you exactly how long your B-roll needs to be, so you never end up with weirdly looped footage. Audio is handled just as smoothly with auto-sync features that make sure your voice and captions are always in lockstep. You can also browse a massive music library to find the perfect background track that never drowns out your voice. One of my favorite features is the auto-edit mode, which picks clips based on engagement signals and viral potential. It takes the guesswork out of the process, leaving you with content that is actually ready to get reactions. The scheduling side is where Vizard turns into a real growth partner for your channel. You can set up auto-posting, and the platform handles different aspect ratios for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube automatically. No more manual exporting for every single platform. It is all handled in one place with a few clicks. Your content calendar keeps everything organized, letting you drag and drop posts to change your schedule on the fly. For creators and teams juggling multiple platforms, this centralized view is a total lifesaver for avoiding burnout. While some other tools are overly complex or force you into rigid templates, Vizard strikes a perfect balance of flexibility. It is not a magic wand, and for super cinematic edits, you might still want a human touch for color grading. But for 90% of us who just want to repurpose long-form content into great shorts, this is genuinely game-changing. Think about it, you could turn a single one-hour interview into 2 weeks of consistent, high-quality content in just 1 hour. My top tip for you is to split long answers into multiple shorter clips, as those usually perform way better. Also, highlight key terms in your captions to emphasize your hooks and keep viewers watching until the very end. Remember to mix your clips up, some high energy, some thoughtful, to keep your feed feeling fresh and engaging. If you are ready to stop wasting hours and start building some real momentum, give this tool a try. It removes the boring, repetitive tasks that kill your creativity and lets you focus on making better content. Take your first long video through the pipeline today and see how fast your content calendar fills up. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical tools and tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Go make some clips.